Hey guys, what am I doing? Hey guys, good evening, guys. Welcome to my live stream. How are you guys doing? Guys, I'm not feeling too well today. Longest time. Join me as I eat my dinner. I'm eating rice and stew and moi moi. Can you imagine? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I don't know, this light is very far from my... I thought somebody just joined now. Hey y'all. Hey guys, welcome to my live stream. How are you guys doing? Where are you watching from? I'm streaming from Lagos, Nigeria. Hi. Hi Kuma. Hi Nick Boss. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria. You? Where are you guys from? Drop your country in the comments. Hi Mia. Hi Sonia plus Amma. I'm from Anambra. Oh, I'm from... Oh, I see. I see Anambra. Amania. Amania. Wow, a lovely country. Hi Esma. Hi Tamos. Hi Mia. How are you? I'm fine. You guys, welcome to my live stream today. How are you all doing? How are you guys doing? Make sure you are liking. You're just double tap on your screen. Yes, my Instagram is linked to is on my bio. So you can link me up on Instagram. Flory VB. Hello. Can I have mod? I don't understand what you mean. Guys, you guys should power tap. Give this like a like power tap. Like up this live, okay? Like it up, like it up. Okay. How are you guys doing today? It's been a while. Those of you that know, you know. Hello, where are you from? I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you streaming from? Where are you watching me from? Sorry. You guys, you're not telling me where you're watching from. You're asking me where am I watching from. Can you imagine?